Okay, real quick, I wanted to walk through how to create that Xcode project and create a little video tutorial that kind of goes with that post that I did the other day. Under your HD, you're going to go to Developer, and then you're going to go to Applications, and then there's Xcode. And I recommend throwing it down here on your bar down here so that way you have easy access to it. You can see I have version 4.0. Depending on when you're doing this and like how updated your system is, this could be like version 3.5, and you could even have Xcode off here in its own folder here. So you could have 4.0 in its own folder and 3.5 down here. And so you're going to go ahead and launch this. And the screens will look a little different for 4.0 than they do for 3.5. But this pop-up will come up here, and it gives you the create a new Xcode project. You can also go over here to new and create a new project there also. But so give this a click, and then it'll come up and give you some options here. Now we're doing iPhone development, so you're going to want an iOS application, and then just for this new project template guy, we're going to do window-based application here. So then you're going to create like a product name, like a fake app, and then this is just your company identifier, which is, my company is creating my empire, so it's creating my empire. But once we get to that point, we can talk a little bit more about that. And then, since I usually only deal with the iPhone for now, you just pick the device you're going to put it on. But if you wanted both, you're going to do universal. And if you want just iPad, you would just do iPad. Okay. Click next. Then now here's where you're going to click. You're going to pick your location. For all these things, I'm putting all of them under creating iPhone applications, and then they just have, in this case, this was the old one that was the example in the blog, and then we'll do create, and it'll populate everything there. Okay, and then the Xcode will like auto-generate all the files that are in here. And you can kind of see some of the summary information that's here, how the supported device orientations that are in your app and all that different type of stuff. You can also see over here where they have the delegates, the header files, and the XIB files and all that type of stuff. And we'll go into all of that in more detail. But so that was just a quick way to set up the app. And then let's actually take a look at where it's going to be. In this case, I save everything on the desktop and in this creating iPhone applications. So then you can see here, it created that fake app folder, and then here's your Xcode project here. So if we closed this, you could actually bring it back up by just clicking on the Xcode project. It'll come back up.